Hello friends, this is Dr. Shantala Bhole. This video is an edited version of my podcast Sparkling Wednesdays with Dr. Shantala. This video is about the healing power of touch. I started my podcast journey with this episode. Friends, a gentle touch can convey what 1,000 words cannot. A touch can soothe, heal, and pacify. Do you know? Our skin is not only the largest organ of our body, but the most sensitive. Every inch of our skin contains more than 1,000 nerve endings that sense touch, pain, temperature, and pressure. The sense of touch can be the most powerful sense among all. In fact, it is our first way to communicate. Have you noticed? Babies go to sleep when they're held close by their mothers. But friends, it's not only babies, but adults too who need the comfort and security of touch. When we touch, cuddle, or hug, our bodies release some great hormones like oxytocin, dopamine, and serotonin. This makes us feel happy, relaxed. Let us now talk about the cuddle chemical. Ooh, what is that, you ask? Touching releases the hormone oxytocin, and oxytocin is actually known as the cuddle chemical. It is released in mothers when they cuddle their babies and also helps in breastfeeding. But even in adults, oxytocin helps to nurture feelings of trust and connection. It reduces stress by lowering the levels of the hormone cortisol. Have you seen pictures of how kangaroos carry their young ones? The baby kangaroo, or joey, is actually born at a very early stage of development. It is hardly 31 to 36 days old. After that, the baby spends 18 months in its mother's pouch. This natural concept has actually been adopted by us humans as well. Have you heard of kangaroo care or kangaroo mother care? This is a technique of newborn care where babies are kept chest to chest, skin to skin with a parent. This is actually started just after the baby is born. Kangaroo Mother Care, or KMC, was first started in Colombia, and now it is being used all over the world. This is specially done in preterm babies. These babies are still immature and they need constant monitoring and support in the ICU. It has been seen that kangaroo care helps these babies feed well, sleep well, and grow better. It's not only the babies, but even the parents. They feel less stressed, more confident, and also it increases their self-esteem. KMC plays a big role in promoting attachment and bonding between parents and children. In fact, the WHO has released a practical guidebook about KMC for all medical personnel. We Indians are familiar with malish or massage, aren't we? When a newborn baby is brought home, either the baby's mother or grandma gives a massage every day. And we also know that this helps them be more happy and calm and grow well. It is also quality time spent in a relaxed mood for the parents as well. Similarly, touch therapy or massage therapy has been used for patients with Alzheimer's. It has been shown to reduce stress and depression and help them to make emotional connection with others. Friends, it can be a loving hug from a parent, a reassuring squeeze on the hand by a friend, a pat on the back by a teacher, or a quick kiss on the forehead. It brings about change in how we feel and how we behave. Not only humans, but animals also revel in the sense of touch. Every living being needs to be touched. Do you know? There is this new trend of opening dog cafes where you can go and pet all the dogs there. You can actually sip your coffee and your worries away. Animals also visit hospitals, schools, and retirement homes. They help in treating chronic conditions like depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, etc. Do you have pets at home? Well, I have a pet dog, Oscar. He greets me with boisterous barking and jumping whenever I go home. And when I rub his back and stomach, the look on his face is pure bliss. Snuggling with pets has been shown to produce similar results as with the people you love. So just imagine this scene. It's a lazy evening on the balcony after a hard day's work. I'm watching the sunset with a cup of tea in my hand and my dog Oscar by my side. As I gently stroke him, I can feel the tension slowly draining out and the feeling of peace envelops me. All is well with the world after all. Friends, the next time you see your parents, your family, your friends, your girlfriend or boyfriend, or even your pet, give them a tight hug because however tough life might be, nobody should have to go through it alone. Thank you so much. If you would like to listen to the complete episode of this podcast, I have shared the link below. You can click on it.